Today, I want to talk about Loadout AI. Loadout AI is an AI assistant built specifically for Method CRM. If you use Method, you know it's sometimes hard to quickly get the data you need when you need it. Customers, orders, invoices, estimates, inventory, follow-ups, all the stuff that runs your business. When you need a simple answer, it's not always simple to get. You might have to build a report, export a spreadsheet, ask someone on the team, click through a bunch of records, or open a giant spreadsheet and stare blankly at it while thinking about a beach vacation to Portugal. At least that is what I do. So the promise I'm going to make you is this. Ask questions about your Method data and get instant operational answers. Sound good? Let's go. Before we get into Loadout AI, let me explain what Loadout is first. You can think of Loadout as a curated app marketplace for Method CRM. Instead of digging around for random tools or building everything from scratch, Method users can find trusted add-ons designed to extend their CRM and solve real operational problems. Loadout AI is part of the Loadout platform and also built specifically for Method users. Now, it's not a generic chatbot that gives motivational quotes or validation for your feelings, although I'm sure it could if you asked it to. It's designed to answer practical questions about your business data in Method. To use Loadout AI, you'll first have to create a free Loadout account. I already have one, so I'm just going to sign in. Once you have an account, you'll land on the dashboard, and the first thing you'll need to do is head to Settings and add a Method API key and some business context. The API key gives Loadout permission to access your Method data, and adding a bit of context will tailor the AI to your business. I already have my API key added here, and for business context, I'm using a sample company called Heartline Supply that looks like a common Method customer, a distributor or inventory heavy business with customers, items, sales history, and operations data. You can also name the AI. I named mine Clippy. If you remember Clippy, congrats. You're old enough to appreciate the reference. Let's head over to Loadout AI and give Clippy a task. I'm going to start with a question like, what do you know about my business? What questions can I ask? And what kind of insights can you give? So I'm going to ask the AI how it can help me. So it gives me a little bit of details of what it knows about my business based on the context that I gave it. And it gives me some questions that I can ask. So let's start with something like this. What are my top selling items by revenue? We can add in 2026. So this is great because it gives me a chart and it also gives me a list, and then it gives me some takeaways or insights about the data that it pulled. So if we scroll up a bit, here's our chart of our top selling items in 2026. And then it gives us a list ranked 1 to 15, and then some insights. But let's ask another question. Which customers haven't ordered in the last 90 days? I think that's a good one that every business should be asking frequently. Here are the customers with no orders. Gives me the customer, the email address, and the phone number, and some ideas of what to do next. So let's try one more. If we look at our test account here, this is our opportunity list, the Method account that the AI is connected to. We got 4 open opportunities worth 7,800, 110,000. So I'm going to ask, what's the total value of my sales pipeline? And this is going to validate that this information it's giving us is actually correct and connected to this account, because it should equal 110,000 and give us 4 open opportunities, like we saw in Method there. Yeah, so scrolling up, Gives us a chart, pipeline value by stage. Here's the 110 across the 4 deals that we saw over here. And then it gives us a breakdown and some insights about that data. The value of Loadout AI is speed. Most Method users already have the data. The hard part is getting the answer at the exact moment you need it. Instead of thinking, where do I find that? Or who knows how to pull that report? You can just ask. Which customers are going quiet? Which items are running low? Which quotes need follow-up? Which invoices are overdue? Which sales are trending up or down? And because this is built around Method CRM data, the goal is not to give you some vague business advice. The goal is to help you make faster decisions using the data already in your system. There is a free plan if you want to try Loadout AI. It has low usage limit, so it's not meant to last long, but it gives you some room to try a few real questions and see how it works with your data. So if you use Method CRM and want a faster way to understand what's happening in your business, sign up for Loadout and try Loadout AI for free. I'm Jason from Norvell Systems. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.